Yes, sir. We back. One Stop Drip Shop. Unboxing and a Bando. You know what I mean? Bringing you things I like to do. But this ain't really an unboxing, man, because I already had hopped in this drip already, man. I already made a splash in this shit. I'm just literally bringing you a review. You know what I'm saying? Things I didn't know about this before I bought it. You feel me? Like, for instance, this lever up top here, gang, this ain't no regular material. It ain't no bullshit. You feel what I'm saying? First of all, this the Saint Laurent Terry jacket. You know what I mean? Or is it Teddy jacket? I believe it is. Teddy varsity. You feel me? A little vacation shirt underneath. These niggas be going hard. I fuck with them heavy. Vacation World Tour. So I got this joint under there. I had putting a little outfit together or whatever. But yo, let's get into this shit, man. So we got the inside. I don't really know what material this is on the inside, but real wavy, real calm. It's just kind of breathable. But here, let me give y'all niggas some little heads up, man. Cause I really pop tags. So a tag gonna be attached to this shit right here, man. Do not pop this. Like, be careful when you're taking your tag off. You feel what I'm saying? You fuck up these little details like this, little fly shit, you're gonna end up fucking up. So when you taking that tag off, gang, be careful, man. You feel me? Be careful. But other than that, man, it's a calm jacket. You feel me? Here's the thing about this though. Originally, this jacket was I think it was like 1,500. You know what I mean? 1,800. But all of a sudden, this shit shot up to like 25. And mind you, this jacket's been around for some time now. You know what I mean? This Saint Laurent jacket been around for a couple years. I think like every year they add a color or two, you know what I mean? The staple one is the black and white joint, you feel me? This blue and white a little exclusive. You might be able to get it in a green and white, and I think a burgundy and white. But it is gonna cost you a little quarter, a little 2,500, you know what I mean? But overall, it's a calm jacket. Leather on the pocket, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too crazy going on the back. So we just gonna leave that shit like that, man. Unboxing in the Bando till we unboxing in the condo, you heard? Stay there until you come up. Y'all gonna see a nigga progress, man. But yeah, it is, man. I rate this jacket. I rate that shit a motherfucking. I rate that shit. I get this shit at 8, 9. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, let me give y'all some specs behind the scenes. So this shit fit kind of snug, man. So I would say go one size up. I'm an XL. I bought this shit in an XL. It fit kind of snug. It wasn't too friendly on the sleeves. You know what I'm saying? So you might want to get this shit one size up. But if you like the tight fit, run with your regular size, gang. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong. But if you do want to be a little loosey-goosey, yeah, I don't even know how the fuck I just said that. But yeah, if you do want this shit to fit a little loose, yeah, you probably hop in a size bigger, man. You feel me? All right, there y'all have it, man. Unboxing in the Bando, play ahead to stay ahead. We bought y'all the Saint Laurent Teddy jacket, you know what I'm saying? Leather on the shoulder, leather on the pockets. Real good material here. You feel me? Real good material.